welcome back. So we're going to be doing a video. I'll turn that light off. We're going to be doing a video for the Marvel Collector Core Antman box. As you can see, there it is. Let's get my knife out of the way. Let's do a quick size comparison. Here's the first one, and there is the second one. And it is smaller than the first one, but this one came with a 6-inch pop. Hopefully they'll have ones in the future. But let's get her open. First thing you are greeted with is the Antman patch. Just to show you it with the first one. Here are the two together. And then the same thing with the pins. Which is pretty cool. Let's close this back up real quick. Oops. So I can put the Antman one in there. Alright. Let's get her open. Wow, okay. So, we have a unmasked Antman variant for this box. He does come with a small Antman bobblehead, which I will get out. As you can see, it fell out, but it's still in the package. And it is a little bobblehead. Extremely tiny. That just sits in right like that. And here is the unmasked Antman. Very Paul Rudd-ish, which is very, very cool. Very, very nicely detailed, and dude enjoy that. But very awesome. Getting back in the packaging. If you're wondering why I have not filmed this in my normal area, got some stuff on the table I have to leave up there. So, doing the next best thing. There's the box, there's the side, shows a little mini Antman, and there's the back, and there's the masked Antman, and then Yellow Jacket, which hopefully I'll be able to find Yellow Jacket. Next thing are the two blind boxes. You get two of them, and they are Antman. There's Yellow Jacket on the side, and on the other side, the blackout Antman. And then you get one of four, regular Antman, Yellow Jacket, unmasked Antman, and blackout Antman. I'm hoping for the helmeted Antman and Yellow Jacket. So, let's see who we get. Come on, Yellow Jacket. Ah, screw it. This one feels like masked Antman. Nope. It is Yellow Jackets. Yes. So there's Yellow Jackets. Very, very nicely detailed. Very, very, very cool. So, put him off to the side. Actually, no, let's put him back in his little baggie in his box. hopefully we can get Blackout Antman or regular Antman. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, this is a masked Antman. Can't tell if it's Blackout or regular, so I'm hoping for regular, so I can have the hero and the villain to display. Nope. It is the unmasked version. I'm okay with this. But very, very, very cool. Next, we get the Antman shirt. Shows the Antman right here, and this is Antman, which is very, very, very cool. We'll open that till later, and then finally, we get a Antman comic. Very, very, very cool. So in total, we got a comic, shirt, and 4 bobbleheads. We got 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All in all, this is a very, very nice collector's box. I do recommend picking these up if you're a Marvel fan, because every 2 months they'll have a box, and so far they've been going with what movies are going to be coming out within the time span of the box. But since Ant-Man is the last movie for phase 3, so not sure what they're going to do after Ant-Man, but we shall see. But definitely worth picking up. Every 2 months, and so far they've been actually sticking with a theme, and also having exclusive only to the Collector Core box. So go out and subscribe. You won't be able to get Ant-Man on their website, but you should be able to pick it up on eBay. But thanks for watching, guys. I got more videos to come. Make sure to subscribe and like, and if you have any comments, in this description box below. Alright guys, have a good one.